blizzard of 2011. It's February 2011, and I don't know how many feet of snow have dumped on our yard overnight.
Not 2 feet even.
How many feet?
They said 16 inches.
How many feet do you have in the snow there?
It's up to my knees.
There's 2 feet in the snow down there. So, here we go.
Marianne's feet. 2 feet.
Alright. So we're going to look around. Actually, this porch was dry of snow yesterday. Here it is. Snow everywhere. So let's take a little walk around and see what it looks like. Oh. Where are the steps? There aren't any. This is deep stuff. I don't even know if I'm on the sidewalk anymore. Oh. Okay, here's the sidewalk going down the street. Oh. There we are. Snow everywhere. Marianne is shoveling. The best thing would be is if you wouldn't go out here. What? No. Our Subaru, the proud sponsor of the Antique Roadshow, is back there buried in snow. If you're wondering why Marianne is shoveling and I'm videoing, it's because I'm a better videoer. What?
Something's wrong with this picture. You're behind the camera.
I should put my gloves on.
I'm going to do the thin half and you're going to do the fat half.
The fat half?
Yep.
This is the fat half?
Quit kicking into my shoveled snow. Ugh. This is our life. Larry takes the picture. I do the work. This is indicative of life at the Tana's house. You want that on there?
Marianne doesn't like my video. The proud sponsor of the Antique Roadshow. my turn?
Nope.
Good morning.
Good morning. I cannot believe it out here. Crazy. Nope. 2000. 86.
Yeah, I was talking to Kristen this morning. She was born in 79. I said it was like this just before she was born. Terrible.
I know everyone kept telling me, I said, we're right there, snowmobiles down 131.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Snowblower. Oh, wow. No, Marianne's doing the shoveling and I'm doing the videoing.
There.
But Marianne, what did you say when you came out here?
There's 2 feet of snow.
That's not what she said when she came out here. She said, I'm going to go outside and shovel for a while because I would just like to. Right?
No. You're making
No.
it up.
I'm making it up.
It's slave labor. Look at the woman across the street too. What's wrong with your husband?
Okay. That's enough of the blizzard of 2011.
You're right.